Hi guys, Vanessa here. So today's video is going to be my 10-minute, actually less, you'll see, but it was actually under 10 minutes everyday makeup routine. This is what I'm putting on my face, or these are the products I'm putting on my face if I'm getting ready for the everyday. It may be just me wanting to get ready really quickly, like if my kids are asleep and wanting to put together, or maybe I just want to go out to the grocery store and I don't want to go bare face. So my main concerns not main concerns, but my main focus for my everyday routine, to be honest, is just me having my brows nicely groomed, and then I like to have kind of like a fresh face look. So you don't see me use powder in today's video because I like to kind of keep it very simple. But if I'm wearing a mask, I will kind of set the face. I stuck with everything affordable, so I did use drugstore brands because I tend to notice that I don't want to touch my more higher end makeup products if I'm just staying home. To be honest, like, who's gonna notice if I'm using drugstore makeup to high end? Do you get me? Like, no one's gonna notice, and these products perform wonderful. So without further ado, if you guys want to see my less than 10 minutes makeup routine, then just keep on watching. Okay guys, so I'm a little bit nervous just because, you know, doing the routine on camera with actually being timed, the idea kind of puts me a little stressed. But here we are, putting the timer for 10 minutes. Let's go. Going in with a primer, I'm going in with the LMS Superfood Primer. So before filming this, I just washed my face and applied moisturizer. Other than that, I don't even have brows on. So that's what I do. Then next up, I'm going in with my HD Catrice liquid foundation. And I just put it on the back of my hand, go in with a wet sponge, and start applying. I like this foundation for the everyday because one, it's affordable, and two, you can get medium to, light to medium coverage actually. Full coverage, of course, but for the day-to-day, I notice that I don't really tend to go really the full coverage route. My main focus for every day is my brows and hiding my dark circles underneath the eyes. I mean, if we're just staying home, we really are putting makeup just to kind of feel good, feel put together, but really just focusing on those main things that we like to concentrate on, which, whether if it's our brows or our dark circles, you know. We all have like skin concerns that we want to, we all have focal points on what we want to do with our makeup for the everyday today. So mine are definitely my brows and my dark circles. For concealer, I'm using the e.l.f. Hydro Camo Concealer. So this is what the skin looks like. Like I said, very medium coverage, nothing crazy. If anything, it's even light coverage because you can see the kind of skin peeking through. For bronzer, I'm keeping everything affordable. For bronzer, I'm going in with the Physician Formula Butter Bronzer. I just like how smooth it applies on the skin. And it's kind of foolproof. I mean, really it just goes on seamlessly. a little bit on the forehead. Then for blush, I'm going in with the Baked Bronzer by Milani in Pero Primavera. And honestly, for the day-to-day, I just go in with the same brush as my bronzer. I just kind of use the upper half of the brush to kind of not disrupt the bronzer. And the reason why I like these bronzers is because for the everyday, I don't really need highlight. I don't really need highlight. So I like to use a blush that has luminosity to it. So like I said, my main focus for days that I want minimal makeup but still feel put together is my brows and my under eyes. So I'm going in with the Morphe brow gel, affordable but amazing. And then now I'm using the NYX micro brow pencil, affordable and pigmented, and you can get those hair-like strokes just to fill in the bald spots. So those are what the brows are looking like. Let me see how much time I have on timer. So 5 minutes. Okay, I'm gonna go with my, I forgot a mirror. So I'm gonna use this one that I have here. Okay, so that goes for mascara. This is one of my favorite eyelash mascaras. Mascaras for the eyelashes. It's by Maybelline. It's the Lash Lift. And then we really don't need something crazy on the lips, because if we're just running out to the grocery stores, all of us basically are wearing, not all of us, we all are wearing masks. So you really don't need anything crazy on the lips because it's going to be covered by a mask. So I chose something hydrating. This is the e.l.f. Ride or Die like gloss. I'll list all the products down below, but I like this because it's hydrating. It's hydrating, and yet it gives a little bit of something on the lips. It actually does have a pretty color to it. Oh my god, how much time do we have left? Wow, 2 minutes and 30 seconds. So by now I would already have finished my complete look. As you can see, I will go in and just kind of see if I'm needing any extra product in the brows, if I need to touch up anything else before I head out the door, if I'm going to a grocery store or whatever the case may be. But kind of wanted to perfect that brow. And yeah, it's hot underneath these lights because kind of get stressed out. Being you can definitely powder. I don't really like to powder for the day-to-day because I am just staying home. If I'm going and wearing a mask, then I would powder. Well, I was gonna say, no, I'm gonna leave it like this. If you were to want to powder, you could powder, especially around the mouth area, right here in the chin, on the nose. If you were going out, so that you can just kind of mask proof and really seal the transfer, and really seal, sorry, the foundation for it not to transfer. So I have a minute left, and yeah, I'm basically done. I still will go in with the setting spray to kind of just make the product sit nicely on the skin, which really it's just the bronzer and the blush. But this is the look for my 10 minutes or less makeup tutorial. What do you guys think? Like I said, definitely you still have time to powder the face if you were going to run out the door and wear a mask. You definitely want to set your base so that you don't have any of that transfer. But yeah, guys, that is the final look. So 15 seconds. So I'm gonna stop the timer because we are done. Okay, guys, so that is it for me today. I hope you guys enjoyed me showing you guys what my everyday routine looks like. Please let me know in the comments down below, what is your everyday routine look like? I mean, most of us, we like to focus on a focal point. Many of us will really want to hide our under eyes or really want to have our brows done every day. So yeah, I'm curious to see what your routine looks like every day. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, like I said, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.